This is Baby Shark and Jaws. Jaws is the first one we play with a sniff. Then we do Violin Shark with a sniff. Viola Shark with a sniff. Cello Shark with a sniff. Bass Shark with a sniff. And everybody safe at last with a sniff. Wait for the sniff. Jaws.